Would you like to know how to make your countertops look like this, or like this, or perhaps like this? Well, we have the class for you. We're committed here at RK3 Designs to give you the ultimate learning experience with the most hands-on training workshops in the industry today. We don't pack you in and just let you watch. Depending on what class you choose, you'll have 2 or 3 days of full hands-on epoxy training with our knowledgeable team helping you each step of the way. We'll provide detailed instructions and demos on many unique techniques and finishes. You'll then create your own sample boards that will be yours to keep. We also have several large group projects where we encourage everyone to contribute a little of their own creativity. You'll be shocked at what you can create even if you've never touched epoxy before. Epoxy Pro is our premier in-depth epoxy workshop for those wanting to become a professional in the epoxy industry. Whether you're wanting to start an epoxy business or add epoxy services to your existing business, we've got you covered. There is no previous epoxy experience needed to attend this class. Epoxy 101 is our hands-on workshop packed with information for those who may have little or no epoxy experience and would like to start with a solid foundation. It is our mission to make sure that you are 100% satisfied before you leave our class. Once you've attended one of our classes, you will be part of the RK3 Designs family. We will be here for you in the future. Check out our website, rk3designs.com, for more information on our classes, our updated prices, our 2021 schedule, book your class, and check out our online store. Sign up for our newsletter and receive special discounts, promo codes, free tutorials, product information, and more. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you have. We look forward to meeting you.